Well, I must admit, ASRock, you've outdone yourself on these new 2020 boards. It's pretty special. Very impressed. ASRock used to be junk. ASRock isn't junk anymore. Look at the hardware they've given. Pretty nice, that M2, all the M2 stuff. This is the ASRock 2020 Steel Legend B460. It's a 10th series board. Polysync chrome, has the ARGB 5V and 12V header. Yeah, but man, I'll have to admit the packaging on the ASRock, the fitting of the componentry, it's impressive. It's impressive. They've definitely stepped up their game. Good on you, ASRock. Good on you. I'm going to keep buying your boards. I like them. They never fail. I like them. Obviously, doing a few builds. I can continue to use them. They're the best. Thank you.